So Jack and I are currently on our way to Mount Baker to shoot at Artist Point, and then we're going to be meeting up with our friend Jake Guzman, and after that we're going to head to Washington Pass to shoot larches, and there should be some snow tomorrow, so we're really hoping for that. But as of right now, we've been probably stuck in traffic because we picked the worst time to leave today. You know, you win some and you lose some, and we are hopefully going to make the best out of this day. Been on the road for about 3 hours now. We made it out of the traffic, made it to Bellingham, fueled up the car, and now we're driving this road up to Baker, which I think is Highway 542. It's one of the most beautiful drives up here, especially with the fall colors right now. And I don't know, we're just having some fun on this road. Had a long journey here, but we finally made it. Jack is about to set up a time lapse, and so hopefully we can get some clouds moving in the water and it'll look pretty sick. How'd it turn out, Jerry?
So epic, dude.
Yeah, time lapse.
Check it.
Picking up the bags. Jack just did a time lapse. I think we're gonna sleep at the top of Artist Point tonight. This holder fits right in here, and you're good to go. It's pretty cold in the car last night, but we're kind of hiking up to this mountain pool tarn up here. Should get a good reflection. Alright, so Jack brought out the trusty 100 to 400 today. And let me tell you, that 100 to 400 was pretty sweet. A lot of things didn't go as planned this weekend. Jake didn't show up. I forgot to vlog the rest of the trip. But all in all, this is what I came up with.
That's why your friends always hating on me. Fuck them, no, I did this all by myself. Matter of fact, I ain't never asked no one for help, and that's why I don't pick up my phone when it ring. None of my exes is over Lil Peep. Nobody flexing as much as I be. That's why she text me and tell me she love me. She know that someday I'll be over the sea, making my money and smoking my weed. I think it's funny, she opened up to me, get comfortable with me once I got it coming. I love her, she love me, I know that I'm nothing like someone the family want me to be. If I find a way, would you walk it with me? Look at my face while you talking to me, cause we only have one conversation a week. Can I get one